Hello and welcome to the Mercedes W123 channel. On today's video I will show you how we're going to remove the door panel. There are many reasons why you want to remove it. Maybe you got a problem with the windows, maybe you want to recover all this, doesn't matter. Me, for instance, I've got a problem with the window. As you can see, it just lifts by itself. So it looks like this came out of its support, which I will have to glue it at some point. Okay, so that's the moment to show you how we're gonna remove all this. Using a Phillips screwdriver or star screwdriver, we'll start removing those two screws here and remove that chrome cover. If you've got an older style pin here, the one that's a bit wider at the top, you will have to unscrew it and remove it. If you got that style, you can leave it on. To remove the handle for the windows, very easy. We place the finger behind it and we push it. This will unclip. Now we remove it, and now you can remove the handle. Be careful to the rubber, this one, for the plastic part, you don't forget it. Okay, obviously if you've got electric windows, you don't have to worry about that. Before we continue, I would like to remind you that if you would like to help the channel, you can do so. If you look at the description of the video, there's a link where you can support whatever you feel like. Okay, it's entirely up to you. That money will help me in return to buy parts. That car needs a lot, and with this, then I can make more videos that will help you in return. Okay, so anyway, thanks to the people that I've given, and thanks in advance to all the people that will wish to give. Thank you. Now below that handle you will see there's two holes, one here, one there. We're gonna use our star screwdriver and we're gonna remove those two screws and remove this. Now in order to remove the door handle, we need to remove the plastic that's inside. So if you look here, you will see two little grooves. So if you use a very fine flat screwdriver like this one, you place it in and you make a lever and it's coming out immediately. Okay, that's it, done. Now that this is removed, we see a screw here, we unscrew it and we'll be able to remove the entire chrome frame. That's it, don't lose the screw, done. At this stage I can tell you that there's a problem, there's a big problem. Why? Because look at the panel. It shouldn't do that at all, it should be stuck still. Okay, at that stage what should be happening, we should use something like that, or a bit smaller if you have, and we pry it between the panel and the door and we make a lever and this will unclip everything that's around. Once it's unclipped, then we lift it up and pull it towards us. Okay, but now I fear I'm gonna see something very bad behind. We now have the panel here. Okay, so this is what I was telling you about. You see those clips? Okay, so this one is broken, so obviously we'll have to replace this. This one is good. Okay, so you see they're all okay, so it's fine. This one where it was loose, it was here, this one is broken. And it was loose. Why? Because this, you see, that that trim has to fit inside the door here. Let me show you. It should fit here inside that groove. Okay, so that's why it was not fitting inside, that's why it was so loose. Okay, now on your door, if those clips are broken, just go to a dealership. They will sell you other ones. It doesn't matter, it's cheap. Okay, this as well, if yours is broken, like this one, no worries, they will have it. So now the reason for me to remove this is obviously for the window that I've got a problem with, that's loose. Okay, so now if I try to put it up or down, I can see that I've got a problem, it's not moving. So obviously now I would have to dismantle everything, because it looks like that not only I've got a problem with the gluing of the window on the system, but as well on the system itself. Okay, but that will come into another video. Okay, in order to mount back the panel on the car, on the door, just make sure of two things. First thing, the metal bar that we've got here, make sure it fits properly on the door. Okay, and as well this. Okay, here you see in the front part of the panel, there's like a little, let me show you, I don't know if you can see it here. This has to enter as well in the door panel, okay? Once it's fitted, then you push it in, you clip it in, and that's it, and you just do exactly the same thing that you've done, but in reverse, and that will be done. That's it. I hope that you have liked the video and that's useful to you. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please do so, because this channel will bring you loads of video that will save you a fortune on repairs. And until the next video comes out, take care of yourself. Ciao.